Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you another video about vending machine, and this is an ice cream vending machine. So it's almost like this is chocolate, vanilla, matcha, caramel, cookie and cream, raisin butter crunch, strawberry, tiramisu, cheesecake, puddings, macadamia nuts, grape sherbet, and chocolate mint, and colorful chocolate, soda float, and mandarin, and cider taste. So it's from 150 yen up to 220. I think this is the most expensive, and cooking and cream. It's like an Oreo version. So this is an ice cream vending machine, and right next to this there's a conventional drinks vending machine. And interestingly, this is coffee. These are all hot, the bottom part. And there is a soup here, and it said includes rice, so it's almost like rice porridge. And this is sweet potato brulee, so French styled sweet potato. So I guess this is dessert. And British tea, coffee again, coffee, lemon squash. Interesting selection. Barley tea, all cold. And yeah, the price range from 120, so I think 200. There's no 200. Yeah, 160, 70 is the most expensive, I guess. So you can buy with a cashless card and money as well. So this is a park, actually. This is a park. Vending machines are everywhere anyway. Thanks for watching, guys.